Miele semi-integrated dishwasher installation. This training video will cover a simulated kitchen has been used for demonstration purposes. Tools used. Appliance fixings. Refer to installation diagram. The steam deflector plate must be fitted. Ensure cabinet cavity is clean and has no obstructions. Use floor protection. Where cabinet has only one side fixing point, the optional fixing plate should be used. Follow same procedure as shown in the freestanding install video. Be careful not to kink hoses while moving appliance. While moving appliance, pull hoses and electrical lead to remove any slack. The spigot needs to be checked for satisfactory opening, allowing drain water to pass through. Adjust rear feet. Adjust front feet. Adjust front and rear feet until appliance is level. Measure customer supplied furniture door panel. Transfer measurement to align door panel to adjacent cabinets. Transferring measurements will determine how many spaces are required. For this install, one spacer needs to be removed. Place measuring guide on bracket. Position bracket at midpoint to allow for maximum adjustment. Mark plastic guides to match measurement transferred from furniture door panel. Measure and mark center of furniture door panel. Align measuring guides to marked measurements. Align bracket center line and tape in place. Use all screws supplied to ensure bracket is mounted securely. Fitting panel with bracket mounted to dishwasher. Ensure door panel is aligned with base of adjacent cabinet doors. Tighten 4 screws to secure furniture door panel. Ensure panel is aligned with adjacent kitchen cabinetry. Ensure panel is aligned with adjacent kitchen cabinetry. Door springs must be adjusted the same amount on both sides. Door springs have been adjusted correctly when the door does not fall open or snap close. Fit the 4 plastic caps to the door. Fit the 4 screws to secure dishwasher to kitchen cabinetry. Fit all plastic caps to dishwasher. The optional fixing plate is only required when fitting of side mounting screws is not possible. Fit customer supplied plinth panel and check that the dishwasher door opens correctly. Do not modify or cut customer supplied plinth. Inform customer if plinth panel needs to be modified. Check for leaks. Check for leaks at drain hose connection. Wipe off any mess and conduct a final inspection. Complete install. Miele semi-integrated dishwasher installation.